Hi, John Reynolds with Brickform Products here to talk to you about E-Etch. E-Etch is an environmentally friendly, industrial strength floor cleaner, degreaser, and light etching product that is non-hazardous and VOC compliant. It's biodegradable, non-abrasive, and non-carcinogenic. E-Etch contains no hydrochloric acid, and it's ideal for cleaning and preparing cementitious surfaces. It effectively removes excess antique release from textured concrete. It'll also help to remove efflorescence. It's ideal for cleaning and preparing cementitious surfaces for staining and sealing. E-Etch can be used on both interior and exterior concrete surfaces and is available in 1-gallon bottles and has an undiluted coverage rate of 250 square feet per gallon. E-Etch can be used undiluted or reduced with up to 50% water. Always pre-wet the slabs, but don't allow any ponding or puddled water when applying the product. Apply E-Etch with a brush, broom, or sprayer and allow to soak into the surface for 2 to 3 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes for heavily soiled areas. Do not allow E-Etch to dry on the surface. Scrub using a rotary floor scrubber. For flat surfaces, use a black pad, and for textured surfaces like stamped concrete or broom finish concrete, use a nylon bristle brush attachment. Be sure to neutralize floors with Brickform NeutraClean. Following the neutralization, rinse with clean water. For more information on Brickform E-Etch, check out our technical information sheet available at brickform.com.